A couple years ago, I lost my job to a robot. Literally, I had a corporate job, booking appointments, and one day they brought in a software that did it faster and cheaper and replaced me and my whole team overnight. I was an immigrant, broke, no degree that mattered, and I would just been told a piece of code could do my job better than me. So I made a decision. If AI was coming for jobs, I wasn't going to get run over by it. I was going to be the guy who built it. Today, I run an AI company with over 50 businesses, paying us every single month. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you the exact roadmap to build the same thing from zero. No degree, no coding, no money to start, and I'm not hiding any of it. No email wall, no the good parts in my paid course. This is the whole thing. Niche, offer, clients, closing, and delivery. So if you're broke, frustrated, and you can feel the world tilting toward AI and you don't want to get left behind, watch this all the way through. Let's go. 30 seconds on why you should listen to me and not the 19-year-old on your feed who's never had a paying client. I came to the US at 17 years old, worked service and sales jobs through college, then lost that corporate job to automation, which is the entire reason this company exists. I built AI Exelion. We build premium AI systems for local businesses, dentists, HVAC, roofers, med spas, law firms that help them get more clients and run at a higher level. Over 50 of them on monthly retainer, all on our own infrastructure, which I'll show you later. And now I teach people to build their own. That's why you're here. By the end of this, you will understand this business better than 95% of the people running one. Let's break it down. What is an AI implementation agency? Let's kill the confusion first, because the people selling courses keep this vague on purpose. You build AI systems for businesses that need them but cannot build themselves. Take a busy dental practice missing half its calls. Every missed call is a missed patient. Real money out the door. You build a system that answers every call, books the appointment, follow up, never sleeps. They make more money, they pay you to keep it running. That's the whole business in one line. You are the bridge between the businesses that know they need AI and the tech they have no idea how to implement. And I say AI implementation, not automation, on purpose. Automation sounds like a hobbyist writing up tasks. Implementation is a real system that produces a real result. And businesses don't pay for automations, they pay for outcomes. More booked appointments, more closed deals, less wasted time. Frame everything around the outcome. Why now? Because every owner already knows they need AI. That fear is at an all-time high, but they have no clue how to do it. And they're never going to learn because they're busy running their business. That gap is the opportunity, and it's the biggest it's ever been. And here's how you get paid. A setup fee to build, then a monthly retainer to run it and improve it. The retainer is everything. One client isn't a paycheck. It's recurring monthly revenue. Stack 10, stack 20, stack 50, and you've got a real business instead of a freelance gig. That's the model. Here's how you build it. 5 phases. Phase number 1, pick your niche. And if you get this wrong, everything after is 10 times harder. Pick a niche. The number 1 beginner mistake is selling AI to everyone. You sound generic and desperate, and you vanish into the noise. Niche down, and you stop being a random guy with AI and become the AI guy for dentists. That's who gets paid. You speak their language. You know their exact problem. Your outreach hits different, and you build the system once and resell it 50 times. That's leverage. What makes a good niche? 4 things. They have money. Real local businesses with real revenue. They live and die by leads. So the AI solves an obvious, painful problem. There are a ton of them, so you never run out. And they're not technical, which is exactly why they need you. Cosmetic dentistry, HVAC, roofing, med spas, law firms, home services. Pick one, go deep, expand later, and don't agonize for 3 weeks. Pick the one you've got some connection to and move. Speed beats perfection here. Phase 2, build your offer. What you actually sell. Most people butcher this. The mistake is selling the tool. I'll build you a chatbot. Nobody wants a chatbot. Sell the outcome instead. I'll make sure you never miss another lead and turn the calls you're already getting into booked appointments. Same system, completely different value. One's a feature, one's money in their pocket. So build the offer around the results. Lead with the outcome, back it with the system, wrap it in a clear deliverable. Something like a done-for-you AI system that captures every lead, books them automatically, and follows up so nothing slips. Fully built and managed for you. On pricing, setup fee plus monthly retainer. And the math gets serious fast once you stack clients. Don't price like a freelancer charging by the hour. Price for the outcome. If your system books them a few extra clients a month, that's worth way more than what you're charging. That's why it sells. Start where you can win. Raise your prices as you stack results. Phase number 3, get clients. The part everyone's scared of. Let me explain. Mindset first. Getting clients is a numbers game before it's a skill game. There is no magic line that closes anyone. There is volume, a clear message, and consistency. And you're not begging. You're reaching out to a business losing money right now, and you're offering to fix it. Carry that energy. The message: lead with their problem, not your service. Notice you might be missing calls after hours? That's booked appointments going to your competitor. I build a system that fixes exactly that. Short, specific, outcome first. No essay, channels. Go where your niche actually is. Direct outreach, getting in front of local businesses, a simple presence that makes you look legit when they check you out. Pick 1 or 2 and go deep instead of being mediocre on 5. And the honest part nobody tells you, it's reps. You'll send a lot of messages to get a few conversations to land one client. That's not failure, that's the game. Most people quit right here, 2 weeks in, because nobody warned them about the volume. The ones who push past where everyone else quits are the ones who win. Phase 4, close the deal. The sales call, where beginners freeze. It's simpler than you think. Hold one frame the whole call. You're not selling. You're diagnosing a problem and prescribing the fix. Doctor energy, not a salesman. Ask about their business. Find the pain, misleads, chaos, money leaking, and let them say out loud what it's costing them. Now your system is the obvious answer. Always anchor on ROI. The price only feels expensive in a vacuum, next to what the problem costs them every single month. It's a no-brainer. And your job is to make that math obvious. When they say it's too expensive, don't get defensive. Reframe. What's this costing you to keep missing those leads every month? This pays for itself. Then close simple. Want me to go ahead and get this set up for you? Say it. Then stop talking and let them answer. They say yes, and now comes the part that separates real agencies from people playing pretend. Delivering. Phase 5, delivery. Fulfillment, the most important section in this video, because this is where almost everyone falls apart. Here's a hard truth. Plenty of people can talk their way into a client. Almost nobody can build a system that works, keep it running, and get real results. Selling gets you the clients, delivering keeps them paying every single month, and becomes the case study that gets you the next 10. Delivering means the system actually captures leads, books appointments, follows up, and doesn't break. It has to be reliable because clients don't care about how cool the AI is. They care that it works while they sleep. And it has to produce a result because results are the only thing that stops the trust. This is where infrastructure matters. And I'll be straight, we don't run clients on duct tape consumer tools. We built our own, a private CRM, our own private AI agents, and our own AI layer we call Taha AI. That's the difference between a premium AI company and someone reselling a free trial. It's also the hardest part to build and exactly where most people stall for months. I just gave you the entire roadmap: niche, offer, clients, closing, delivery. That's real. Nothing's hidden. But I won't lie to you. Knowing the roadmap and executing it are two different things. I learned all of this the hard way. Over a couple years, making every mistake, losing clients, fixing systems at 2 a.m. You can absolutely do this yourself. It's all right here. And if you go grind this out solo, I'm genuinely rooting for you. But it's gonna cost you a lot of time. The time is the real price, not the money. So here's the deal. Everything I showed you, the niches, the offers, the outreach, the scripts, the systems we built, I put all of it into a program called AI Exelion Implementers. It's for people starting from zero who want to build their own AI agency without spending 2 years making every mistake I made. Templates, exact playbooks, the systems, and me walking you through it step by step so you can compress years into a fraction of the time. If you would rather do everything yourself in this video, do it. I just handed you the whole map. But if you want to skip the trial and error with someone who's exactly done it, the link's in the description. Check it out. No pressure either way. Either way, if you got value, subscribe. I'm putting out the real stuff here. No fluff, no gatekeeping. I got replaced by AI, so I learned to build it. You can too. See you in the next one.